All right, part 2 of chocolate covered cherry day. And I love this day. But rather than just doing chocolate covered cherries, but I will share a recipe, I'm going to do drink number 2, which is a chocolate covered cherry martini. Now, I just had a shot and I'm already feeling it. So I'm gonna make this, but no promises on how much of it I'm gonna drink. All right, so it starts with cherry vodka, and I don't have cherry vodka, but I was also thinking, you know, I don't want to drink too much. So I'm going to start with just some kind of cherry schnapps. And I'm going to do kind of half cherry schnapps and half maraschino cherry juice, just to kind of give it a little bit of a different flavor. I'm sorry, this is actually strawberry schnapps because I don't have cherry schnapps. So the ratio is 3 ounces of the liquors and then an ounce of grenadine. So I'm just going to do 3 ounces. So that was about 1.5 ounces close of the strawberry schnapps, about 1.5 ounces of maraschino cherry juice, so 3 ounces up to the top of my little jigger. And then it calls for cream de cocoa, and yes, I actually have this in stock. Super proud of our little bar. We obviously don't use it enough, the fact that we still have it. But it's fun to have a bunch of different kind of little liquors to kind of play around with, which is what we like to do. And then to that, I'm adding this chocolate cream de cocoa. I don't know which top to switch. And then some heavy whipping cream, same thing, 3 ounces. 3 ounces. I need a bigger glass. And then an ounce of grenadine. So instead of grenadine, you could just do some maraschino cherry juice, but since I already used that for kind of the half and half instead of the vodka, I'm gonna stick with the grenadine. Okay, so all that in my shaker glass, there's already some ice in here. I'm gonna cover up my stuff so it doesn't go bad here while I'm shaking, because I always seem to make a mess. Gotta make sure I put the right top. That smells like chocolate. All right, tops are on, ready to shake it. There's my strainer. All right, now before I open that, I'm going to, what glass do we want to use? I kind of want to use my fun one. But the way to make it fancy or make people kind of feel special is I'm going to rim it in some Hershey syrup. I don't have a whole lot left, but let's see what I can get. All right, not rim it. So kind of put some chocolate in there. If this was kind of a true martini in a martini glass, it would have been a lot easier. We have martini glasses somewhere in the garage, but we're really not big martini drinkers, and so they don't deserve cabinet space. But I think I've made a couple, so maybe I should kind of at least whip one out. All right, so let's see how pretty this gets. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's so pretty. That like says like chocolate covered cherry, here I am. Now for me, I love whenever I have a drink, I love when they go the extra mile and do something special. So I'm gonna do something special. So just kind of really quickly, I have a toothpick and I'm just going to skewer 3 cherries on there and kind of put it on top. And then let's put a little, this cherry is not playing well with the others. Probably should have skewered it a little better. Let's put a little, actually let's put this on there first. I love me some whipped cream. Homemade whipped cream is better, but you know, for quick drinks, this is gonna be good. And then lastly, because I really wanna be over the top, I'm gonna take my fine grater. I'm just gonna grate a little chocolate on top. So look at that. Cheers to chocolate covered cherry martini in a non-martini glass. So I gotta take the prettiness off to taste it. I'm kind of wondering if it's gonna taste like strawberry or cherry, so let's find out. I definitely taste the strawberry, but I love chocolate covered strawberries almost as much as I love chocolate covered cherries. I've been drinking. No, that's good. That's definitely a sipper, but I'd love to enjoy one of these with you. Have a good one.